Hello, guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, just a second. Okay, great. Shruti, I've sent you the GK list on WhatsApp. So, just share the questions with the batch after the class. So once we're done, you can just share it, whatever questions we'll be doing today with them. Okay.
All right.
All right. Perfect. Uh, we'll just wait for some more time for some people to join in. How's your preparation going, guys? क्या चल रहा है?
सर अभी तो एलसेट है 29th को तो उसका ही
अभी LSAT थी क्या?
हाँ अभी 29th और 31st को है
अच्छा 20 31st को है. अच्छा. Okay. Hold on for a second. Okay. What about others? Like apart from LSAT, how is the CLAT preparation going? The mock scores. Can you guys tell me? Everyone, give me an update. Also, कोई आज कोई नया है क्या? इसकी a couple of names which I haven't seen initially. Specifically, are there any crash course students? If there are, please let me know that as well.
Yes, sir.
so everyone is for crash course only over here
I know, but like I see a lot of your others are also like regular batch students who have just like now merged into the crash course, right? But I'm asking specifically, are there new people for crash course who joined only for crash course who weren't there initially while you were doing the earlier classes? Koi hai? I see a few new names. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Who's that?
Atharva.
Athar, have I not seen you initially? I think you've been there in the classes earlier as well, right? Have you not
Yes,
been?
sir.
You've been there. Okay. Perfect.
Sir, but
Oh.
once we have joined class specifically for crash course, but sir said to do lectures from the time we took admission in the class. But we
Okay,
have joined
perfect.
specifically for crash course only.
Okay, great. All right. बाकी मेरे को फटाफट before we start doing our questions, बस जल्दी से बोल दो. What are the mock scores coming? How are we ranking? Ranks क्या आ रहे हैं मेरे को ये बता दो. और scores भी क्या आ रहे हैं? Come on, couple of you, tell me this before we start so that I know कि at least क्या progress चल रहा है. Who's going to volunteer? I'll just ask a couple of you. Parth, why don't you tell me क्या scores आ रहे हैं?
सर अभी रेगुलरली 95 to 100 के बीच में आ रहे हैं और कभी कभी 105 तभी वो भी टच हो रहा है.
अच्छा, ओके. अभी कोई did you guys attend and like do any all India mock किया था कोई? Anyone did an all India mock? So I think recently जो हुए थे, I think last month में वो like CLAT got delayed. There were a few all India mocks. Okay, but that's a good score. I mean that's and Parth, what are the ranks then you're getting in these mocks?
I'll have to check, but the percentile is around 92 to 93.
90 to 93. Fair enough. Right. So we have to really work on getting both the scores and the rank up. The percentile is fine, but the way the exam is, like the way the exam is, you have to really be in the, like to crack analysis, you have to be in the top 1 percentile. Yeah. Right.
Yes.
So we have to like really like on 90 to 92, 90 to 93 percentile, ideally get us an NLE. Right. But if you would really aim for a top NLE, you have to like really get those percentile numbers up. But fair enough, all in good time. Good thing is that we have some time due to the now cases going up, and then it's not happening anytime soon. Host basically screen sharing. So could you wait a minute? Students, if you're on the call, could you just enable the screen sharing? It says I'm not able to screen my share, like share my screen. Just a second, guys. I'll just stop and come. Okay, guys. We'll start with our session now. Oh, I'll just pop up the screen, and then we can get started. Okay, perfect. You guys can see this, right? Everyone, just give me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Okay. All right. So we'll be looking at April 2021 GK. Guys, this is one of the most important months. Ideally, because CLAT tends to fall in the month of May. April is traditionally been one of the most important months. Most of the questions are generally asked from April and March. Sometimes it creeps into the first couple of days of May. But I can't stress enough how important April and March generally become for CLAT purposes. Of course, for you guys, if the exam happens in July, for instance, those like April, March, May, June would become very important as well. But so this is a very important month. I hope you guys are prepared specifically for April 2021 GK. I have about 120 questions that we'll be doing today. And at the end, I have some around 10 just random fun questions for you guys to give a shot at. So, but for that to happen, we'll have to get through the 120 odd questions first. Okay. Please keep on writing as I dictate. Few things I'll be telling you general facts around these things. Couple of questions would be really important, so please keep an eye out on them as well. Okay, let's start. First question, guys. Now, which institution releases the annual flagship report of the World Economic Outlook? Is it the World Bank? Is it the Asian Development Bank? Is it the IMF or the UNDP?
World Bank.
IMF.
Not
IMF.
World Bank. Anyone else?
NDP.
Not UNDP.
IMF.
IMF. IMF is the right answer. IMF. This is a report which is released annually, and there is just a second there. Yeah. So this is a report which is released annually by the IMF. हमें कोई बता सकता है कि IMF का current chief economist कौन है?
Geeta Gopinath.
Geeta Gopinath is the right answer. Right. Geeta Gopinath Geeta Gopinath in fact used to be the economic advisor for the state of Kerala as well at one point. So, and who's the head of IMF? Anyone wants to tell me the head of IMF? किसी को पता है? लिख लेना. It's Kristina Georgieva. ठीक है. And IMF was founded in the year 1944 along with the World Bank. And what was the conference called? जिसमें ये दोनों organizations निकले थे. There was a specific.
Bretton Woods.
Yes, Bretton Woods Conference, exactly. Right. So Bretton Woods Conference and इसका headquarter है Washington DC. ठीक है. Next question, guys. What is Ever Given? ये काफी एक फेमस इंसिडेंट हुआ था, एवर गिवन। एवर गिवन क्या था गाइस?
Cargo ship.
कार्गो
Sorry?
शिप।
ship.
It was a cargo ship, exactly. It was a cargo ship, right? और ये cargo ship कहाँ पे अटकी थी?
सुएज कनाल।
सुएज कनाल, एग्जैक्टली, राइट। और मेरे को बता सकता है कोई कि सुएज कनाल का कंट्रोल किसके पास है आज के दिन में?
Egypt.
Egypt, exactly, right. And which two seas does Suez Canal connect?
Red Sea and Mediterranean.
मेडिटेरियन एंड रेड सी।
Exactly, Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. And ये भी लिखते हैं ना, तो शिप, जो कार्गो शिप थी, ये कंपनी थी जिसका नाम था शोई किशन काइशा, SHOIE KISHAN KAISHA, शोई किशन काइशा। ये जापानीज शिप है, राइट, जो एवर गिवन शिप है, एंड द कंपनी जो ओनर है, ये कंपनी इसकी ओनर है, ठीक है, परफेक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, वेयर इज द इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पेस साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी लोकेटेड? ये
Kerala.
अभी
Kerala.
Kerala.
केरला, एग्जैक्टली गाइस, केरला में ये IISc लोकेटेड है। ये इनफैक्ट ये थिरुवनंतपुरम में लोकेटेड है इन केरला। और दिस इज, ये जो जैसे इंडिया में ऐसे इन जनरल, राइट, अपने जो भी इंस्टीट्यूट होते हैं ना, वो हम लोग कई बार ऐसे वी ट्राई टू मॉडल इट ऑन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एन अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट, राइट। फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे IIT, व्हिच वाज द फर्स्ट IIT गाइस? IIT कौन सा फर्स्ट IIT इंस्टीट्यूटेड था?
Madras.
नॉट मद्रास,
Kharagpur.
Kharagpur, exactly, right. IIT Kharagpur, right, and IIT Kharagpur was based on the MIT model, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology से अपनी NLS है, NLS is based on Harvard Law School model sort of. वैसे ये this is based on a Caltech model, right, Caltech space model. इसके इस हिसाब से इसको थोड़ा डिजाइन किया गया, right, okay, fair enough.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So why is it this question in April month GK? IIST का IIST का
IISc it was founded अभी. It
okay.
was, yeah, it अभी इसको ये खोला गया है अप्रैल मंथ में, ठीक है, right, fair enough. Now next question guys, now who has been appointed as the chairman of the Airports Authority of India?
Sanjeev Kumar.
Sanjeev Kumar.
Sanjeev Kumar, yeah, Sanjeev Kumar is the answer. ये जो Airports Authority, he's a 91 batch IAS officer, right, और ये जो Airports Authority of India है, ये year 1995 में खोला गया था, ठीक है, fair enough, right. याद रख लेना, the lot of 91 batch officers have recently been appointed to lot of governmental like head posts, right, and Sanjeev Kumar, he is the head of the Airports Authority of India, ठीक है. Now guys, when is the International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and Transatlantic Slave observed by the UN?
March 25th.
25th March. Exactly, yes, 25th March, right, that's the correct answer. आपको मेरे को ये बता सकता है कि which was the last country to abolish slavery? Slavery अगर जो, right, I mean this is ये slavery related है, right, तो मेरे को, does anyone know which was the last country to abolish slavery? So okay, so the answer is the Mauritania in the year 2007, okay, right, so that was the last country to abolish, to make slavery as a crime. तब तक Mauritania did not, so it's considered to be the last country to abolish slavery, ठीक है, ये थोड़ा इसका static part is question. Okay, fair enough. Next question. Now SEBI modified the requirement to formulate the dividend distribution policy by top 500 listed companies to now a different list of companies. ये कितने, अभी क्या उन लोगों ने कितना बढ़ा दिया है?
1000.
Yeah, so the answer is top 1000, right. So now instead of ये जो dividend distribution policy है, इसमें अब instead of taking top 500 as the metric, now top 1000 will be in the metric. Okay, perfect guys. Next question, 7th. Who has been appointed as the CEO of UIDAI?
Saurabh Garg.
Saurabh Garg, exactly, right. And उसके पहले कौन था? Does anyone know? कई बार हम लोग we hear his name often. लिख लो अजय भूषण पांडे, right? Ajay Bhushan Pandey was the CEO of UIDI, and who is the person who we often associate with UIDI, guys? Who UIDI मतलब माने आधार अथॉरिटी, राइट? तो आधार के साथ हम लोग किस किस इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट को काफी बार हम लोग रेफर करते हैं? वेरी फेमस गाय, गाइस, कम ऑन, पता होगा, यू गाइस डेफिनेटली नो अबाउट हिम. Nandan Nilekani, right? The answer is Nandan Nilekani, right? Not necessarily associated with UIDI, but someone who mooted the idea of Aadhaar in general, right? So perfect. Okay, moving on, guys. Now Diksha web portal is associated with which union ministry? This
Ministry of
portal was
Education.
exactly right. So this is associated with the Ministry of Education. And anyone wants to tell me who is the Minister of Ministry of Education?
Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank.
Ramesh Pokhriyal, exactly. That's the answer. Ramesh Pokhriyal is the Minister of Education, right? ये Ministry of Education इसको पहले हम लोग HRD Ministry बोलते थे, right? So okay, fair enough, right? Moving on to the next question. Which country has proposed a retaliatory trade action against India for imposing the equalization levy on e-commerce companies? So
US.
basically India ने डाली थी, अब
US.
कोई retaliate कर रहा है.
US.
USA is the right answer. Others, please keep on writing your answers in the chat. Even if you guys are not saying it out loud, I would really appreciate if you guys, keep on writing it in the chat, or just keep on taking a note of
There
it.
is no chat.
Chat कैसे नहीं है भाई? क्या हो गया Zoom को? किसी को पता है?
For chat.
Sorry. Yeah, you someone is saying something. I couldn't hear you. Could you repeat it again?
No, sir.
अच्छा, fair enough, right? क्या पता भाई चैट क्यों नहीं है? Okay, this stuff. बट ठीक है, तो सबके लिए एक ही ऑप्शन है, माइक खोलो और बस गेस ही तो मारना है हमें, और क्या करना है? लाइक आई एम नॉट, बस पता नहीं पता, बस गेस मार के देखो, राइट? सो ओके, perfect, please do that. Yeah, okay. Now 10th question, guys. The International Theatre Institute, the world's largest performing organization, is headquartered in which city?
Geneva.
No.
Paris.
not
Rome.
Geneva.
Paris.
Paris is the right answer. In fact, Paris is the right answer. In year 1948 में खुला था ये. रिसेंटली यहाँ पे कुछ तो एक प्ले, कुछ परफॉर्मेंस हुआ था, इसके से न्यूज में था. Can't really pinpoint exactly what, but yeah, it's located in Paris. Generally think of theater, think of movies, think of culture, think of Paris, right? So Paris is generally, हमको जब अगर तुक्का मारने का टाइम आता है, right, तो उसे इस तरह से सोचो कि Paris is the, like, it's the cultural capital of the world वगैरह, उस हिसाब से सोच के we can always pinpoint towards something. ठीक है? Okay. Heal COVID, which was making news recently, is a nationwide trial implemented in which country?
UK.
UK.
Exactly, the answer is UK. This has been implemented to tackle what now has come to be known as long COVID. माने कि कुछ लोगों को कोविड के कई मतलब बहुत ज्यादा टाइम के लिए they suffer through COVID related symptoms, right? And what is the recent COVID related disease which we hear about often every day? Black fungus, exactly, right? And what is the term for it?
Mucormycosis.
Exactly. Mucormycosis, right? MUCORMYCOSIS, mucormycosis, right? ये आँख को अफेक्ट करता है, right? And it has a very high fatality rate, right? Around 43% इसका fatality rate होता है. So and it's a fungal disease, right? Which is often triggered by excessive steroids, right? So ये आजकल काफी न्यूज में चल रहा है. म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस प्लीज याद रखना. आई वुड आइडियली थिंक इसके ऊपर कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली आएगा, राइट? बिकॉज इट्स वैसे क्लैट ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछता है, कुछ क्वेश्चन बहुत डायरेक्ट होते हैं या कुछ क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट होते हैं बट उसके आसपास की चीजें पूछ लेते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड डेफिनेटली रिमेंबर. ओके, next question, guys. Which country is set to host the 2-day climate summit of world leaders starting on Earth Day, April 22nd?
USA.
USA, exactly guys. USA is the answer, right? और ये भी नोट कर लेना कि the first Earth Day was in fact celebrated in the year 1970. Okay, so 1970 में first Earth Day निकला था, तो इसके बाद से Earth Day का ट्रेडिशन चलता रहा. ठीक है. Okay. Now Soma Mandal, who has been appointed as the new chairperson of Scope, ये कौन से is presently the chairperson of which company?
Sale.
SAIL, exactly, right. The Steel Authority of India, right. SAIL और जो स्कोप, अगर कोई वंडर कर रहा है कि स्कोप शायद से पहली बार नाम सुना हो कई लोगों ने, राइट. तो ये स्कोप जो इसका फुल फॉर्म है स्टैंडिंग कॉन्फ्रेंस फॉर पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस, राइट. तो इसका ये काम इस हिसाब में it works in this field, right. And SAIL was established in the year 1954. Okay, perfect. Next question. Which armed force has decided to employ retired combat dogs as therapy dogs? ठीक है. तो which armed force has decided to do this, guys?
Indo-Tibetan Border Force, Police.
ITBP, Indian Tibetan Border Force, right. Also कोई मेरे को बता सकता है जो ये जो थेरेपी डॉग्स का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ठीक है, ये is associated with which person? So there's this very famous person, right, who is sort of credited with the like therapy dogs and them being used to for therapeutic purposes. Yeah, does anyone know who is the person that we often refer to as in terms of therapy dogs के लिए? This person is also known as lady with the lamb. That's your hint for it. किसको बोलते हैं lady with the lamb? Come on, guys, you've heard the name, lady with the lamb. Or this person is often referred to as the lady with the lamb. I'm pretty sure you guys must have.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale, exactly, right. So Florence Nightingale, right, is often she's kind of like she's the first one who we kind of use dogs for therapeutic purposes, ऐसे बोला जाता है, right. So she's kind of credited for this, right, along with her other achievements as well, right. She was Florence Nightingale. She was present during the Crimean War time, right. ठीक है. Perfect. Next question, guys. Now, Anil Dharekar, who was in the news recently, he's associated with which field? Is it with cricket,
Journalism.
space science, politics, or journalism? Exactly, right. इन्होंने जो मुंबई लिटरेरी फेस्ट होता है, right? He was the founder of the Mumbai Literary Fest, right? And he passed away recently, right? And he's in the field of journalism. Okay, perfect. Now, which country has launched the tribal TB initiative? क्या इंडिया ने लॉन्च किया है, श्रीलंका ने, नेपाल ने, बांग्लादेश ने?
India.
India.
इंडिया इज द राइट आंसर, राइट. कोई बता सकता है क्या जो टीबी होता है, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, ये is it only a lung related disease or can your other body parts also get TB?
Other body parts also, spine tuberculosis, kidney tuberculosis, everything.
Exactly, right. There's also something called as an eye tuberculosis, right? So tuberculosis can also happen in the eye, right. So it's not necessarily only a lung related disease. If you often think that TB is only something that happens to the lung. ठीक है. Also, India, this has been launched because India wants to get rid of TB by the year 2025. पहले India had set a goal of 2030. Now we have cut it down to 2025. ठीक है. Okay, moving on. Where is the Indo-South Korean Friendship Park constructed? Is it in Seoul, Chennai?
Delhi.
It's in fact
New
in New Delhi. It's in fact in New Delhi, guys. Right. So New Delhi mein is where the Indo-South Korean Friendship Park is being constructed. Right. And of course, the capital of South Korea is the city of Seoul. Right. Okay. Next question. In which country is the Bangabandhu Bapu Museum located? Right. Is it Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh, or China?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, obviously. The minute we see Bangabandhu, we know we're talking about who? Bangabandhu बोला तो किसके बारे में बात करेगा? Who is the person? Bangabandhu. Sheikh Mujibur. Yes, exactly. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Exactly. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So anytime this comes up, we know that we're talking about the country of Bangladesh. Okay, perfect. This is opened recently and इसलिए ये news में है, ठीक है. Now, in which year the government e-market GEM portal was launched?
2016.
2016. 2016, right? There are certain modifications which are made for it currently, but जो government जो e-GEM ये portal रहता है, ये basically it's a portal wherein ministries can place the order for whatever they want, ठीक है. So this is a portal specifically for the purposes of ministries. तो ऐसे समझ लो कि ministries का Amazon है, ठीक है. Okay, perfect. Earth RD is annually observed on the last Saturday of which month, guys? Earth RD.
March.
March.
Exactly. March में किया जाता है ये, right? And basically it started in Sydney in 2007. Funda being that you keep your lights switched off for an hour, ठीक है, between 8 to 9 or I think it's half an hour or an hour. Please correct me if it's half an hour, please. ठीक है, तो उस हिसाब में you're supposed to keep your lights switched off, ठीक है. ये Sydney 2007 में start हुआ. Okay, perfect. Next question. Now, who is the author of the new version of Exam Warriors book? ये बहुत एक अच्छी book लिखी
Prime
गई है,
Minister.
right? On how to deal with pressure.
Prime Minister of India.
Exactly. So Narendra Modi has launched this book, right, called Exam Warriors, right, which is basically just tell how to deal with whatever exam. ठीक है. Okay. Now next question. Which state has the largest number of old vehicles in India as per the recent road ministry data? ठीक है. So basically more than 15-year-old जो vehicles है, ठीक है, have been found in most in this particular state. Karnataka. Right. Karnataka is the right answer. Right. Basically the rule is that India wants to get rid of lot of the old cars जो कि 15 साल पुराने हैं, right? NGT का उस हिसाब से एक order भी है, and we want to ideally move towards more electric vehicles, right? And Karnataka has been spotted as the one which has the most number of old vehicles. ठीक है. Garhwal Himalaya, a sub-range of Himalayas, is located in which state or union territory of India?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Exactly. And this was in news. The Garhwal Himalaya, ये इसका relevance ऐसा है कि recently there was an 8th century fort which was found therein, right? एक कोई नाम वाम नहीं है, right? But while excavation, they were able to find an 8th century fort in the region, and therefore it made news. ठीक है. Okay. P.K. Mishra, Anil Ghanwat, and Ashok Gulati are the members of which Supreme Court appointed committee? Is it the Committee on Anti-Conversion Laws, Occupational Health?
Agriculture law.
Agriculture laws. Very important question, guys. Right. These three were the members of the Supreme Court committee, जो Supreme Court ने एक February के महीने में आसपास बोला था कि let there be an expert committee who will go through the issue and then give their opinion. ठीक है. So these are all members of the Agricultural Laws Committee. Okay, perfect. Now the Lakta Center that was recently awarded the Emporis Skyscraper Award is located in which country?
UAE.
Not UAE.
Saudi Arabia.
Not Saudi Arabia either.
Russia.
Anyone wants to take a guess? Russia, exactly. Russia is the right answer, guys. Right. Please एक बार ये building Google करके देख लेना. काफी, it's a very pretty skyscraper in all honesty. Right. It has a very nice shape. Right. The Laksa Center. So yeah, ensure that like just like यही करते हो मतलब GK में guys, like a lot of you ask me how to study GK and stuff. This is how you do it, right? You just like you need to be just curious about stuff, and you will like ऐसी चीजें तुम फिर याद रह जाएगी, right? How even with memorization, if we just keep on like if you're just curious about something, right? एक चीज होता है कि तब खुद से पढ़ना होता है कि रैंडम क्वेश्चन, मैं तुमको ये क्वेश्चंस दिखा रहा हूँ, ये क्वेश्चंस करके जाना. दूसरी चीज होती है इन क्वेश्चंस के पीछे की स्टोरी और खुद से जानना, right? And when you do that is when you will remember things for life, right? Because then it gets embedded in your memory and not specifically for the purpose exam, right? So do spend some time on just reading upon stuff which you generally hear or do in the class, right? That will help you a lot more than just trying to rote learn things, right? Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you please share the PDF with us?
I've sent the PDF. I've sent the Word doc to Shruti, and she will be sharing the file with you immediately after the class. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Right. Yeah. Shruti, can you just confirm that you've gotten it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
I'll check
Perfect.
it after the class.
Yes. Please do it after the class. Okay. Now, how many companies have been registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs during the financial year 2020 to 2021? Right. So like more companies have registered. You guys need to know the number. If you know the number, that's great.
1
किसी को
lakh.
पता है? Not 1 lakh.
1.55 lakh.
Yeah, it's 1.55. Right. Yeah, not a very consequential question. Yeah. Fair enough. Okay. The Comprehensive Economic Cooperation and the Partnership Agreement has come into force between India and which country?
Mauritius.
Mauritius. Exactly. So this is basically ये थोड़ा ये taxation related type रहता है ये Comprehensive Economic Plan and Cooperation. So basically India and Mauritius के बीच में ये we have come into an agreement. ठीक है. Okay, perfect. Now this Cactus and Cisco are the softwares launched by the Department of Science and Technology, which are associated with a specific field. What is that field?
Solar mission.
Solar mission, exactly, right. And what is India's first solar mission called, guys?
Aditya L1.
Aditya L1, perfect, right. Please note down Aditya L1, right. We often know about जैसे चंद्रयान हो गया, मंगलयान हो गया, ये सब हमें याद रह जाता है. But solar mission usually कई बार it slips out of the mind. So Aditya L1 is India's first solar mission. Please don't forget that. ठीक है, right. And these two have been brought about for the purpose of the solar mission only. ठीक है. La Perouse is a defense exercise which is conducted by which country, guys?
France.
Exactly, France. The name seems France. The name seems very French, right? So उस हिसाब से हम लोग guess भी मार सकते हैं. The answer is France. Okay. Perfect. Which country has created the world record for the fastest road construction? This country has done it in the record number of time. Like कौन सी country ने किया?
Japan.
India.
Japan.
Is it Japan though?
India.
Or which? In fact, the answer is India, guys. Right. So recently, in the month of April, Nitin Gadkari, who is the Ministry for Road Transport Highways, he made this announcement that between the Solapur Bijapur highway, we finished some 25 kilometers of construction in a matter of day or something. And he claimed this is the world record. Right. So it happened in fact in India, and the road side being the Solapur Bijapur highway. ठीक है. Okay, perfect, guys. Next question. In which state is the India's largest floating solar plant proposed to be set up?
Telangana.
Telangana, exactly. Right, Telangana is the answer. And does anyone know which district is it being set up in?
It starts with R.
R, exactly. It's the Ramgundu Pedapalli district. Right. Ramgundu Pedapalli. ठीक है. Right. So this is being set up in the. So this is one of those questions which like random सा question रहता है, कई बार लोग मिस कर देते हैं because they think कि हाँ ठीक है probably नहीं पूछा जाएगा, but ऐसे ही question फिर क्लास पूछ लेता है. Right. कि it's seemingly important but not very on the face of it. Right. And so this attracts the attention of your CLAT exam setter. Right. So this sort of question we have to really look out for. Right. कि जो important होते भी है but हम लोग कई बार उनको ignore भी कर देते हैं. ठीक है. तो इस ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को like हमेशा याद रखो, right? Which is a bit different in its sense, right? So always keep an eye out for these sort of questions, right? कुछ questions जैसे for example ये question हमने देखा 1.55, ठीक है, ये question कभी नहीं पूछा जाएगा, right? But we have to know everything, so hence we do these questions as well. But like these are the questions which are really important, right? And of course there were a lot more questions जो पीछे भी चले गए which are important, right? For example इसी question को ऐसे पूछा जा सकता है कि what was the highway Solapur Bijapur, मतलब it can become very specific as well, because a lot of times they like to ask difficult questions as well which are very specific, which are meant to check कि तुमने पढ़ा है तो कितना डेप्थ में पढ़ा है. ठीक है. तो ऐसे इन सब चीजों को हमको ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है. वरना like this is the key to a good GK score: knowing things, knowing what is important, what is not important, and knowing within what's important the depths of it as well. ठीक है, right? जैसे I think I've told you guys once that ALET 2017 में the question which was asked was the what is the mascot of the Russian, जब वो उस time 2018 में जब World Cup होने वाला था, what is he wearing, right? So it's not only what is the name of the mascot or like कि whatever, like कहाँ पे mascot है, कौन mascot है, it was what was the mascot wearing, right? So you guys, you needed to have googled it once for you to be able to guess कि वो दिखता कैसा है and then what he's wearing. If you've not gone through this process, you won't be able to answer this question, right? So this is where I want you guys to अपने साइड से भी थोड़ी रिसर्च करते रहो एंड इन्हीं चीजों से थोड़ी हेल्प होगी अपनी जीके, राइट? जैसे एक बार क्लास ने पूछ लिया था कि लाइक मतलब रैंडम चीज पूछ ली थी भाई, इट वाज रिलेटेड टू स्टार वॉर्स, हु इज R2D2, राइट? तो मतलब ये स्पेसिफिक क्लैट भी हो गया, मतलब करंट अफेयर्स भी हो गया, बट अपने लाइफ में थोड़ा जनरली भी अवेयर भी रहा करो, उससे हेल्प बहुत ज्यादा होगी, राइट? ठीक है, ओके, परफेक्ट. Which ministry has introduced the national register for driving licenses, right? Is it the Home Affairs Ministry, road transport? Road transport.
Road transport.
Yeah, pretty direct question, right? ठीक है, perfect. Now, which country has rejected the proposal for imports of sugar and cotton from India, right? So initially इस country ने बोला था कि और हम ले लेंगे, exactly, Pakistan is the answer. So Pakistan had initially said that we'll take the imports of sugar and cotton from India, but later on they were like ना उनको नहीं चाहिए, right? Of course due to the conflict which goes on, right? उनके साइड से फिर domestic pressure आ गया and then they said we're not going to be taking international help from India. ठीक है, perfect. 34th question guys, what is HSN? ठीक है, so ये
Harmonized System of Nomenclature.
Harmonized System of Nomenclature.
exactly. This was in news because अभी ministry अपनी जो commerce ministry, that's going to be using it for like a lot of our commodities over some 2 crore की जो commodity trading होती है, उसके लिए they going to have this system of HSN numbers, right? और ये जो मतलब इसका जो the governing body for this HSN जिसने निकाला था is the World Commodities Organization, ठीक है? तो उसके अंडर ये फॉल करता है and India is going to be implementing this HSN for some commodity transactions of over I think 2 crore rupees, ठीक है? Okay, moving on. What is the name of the scheme that intends to provide working capital facility of rupees 10,000 per year to urban street vendors? Right. So
PM.
basically, हाँ बोलो.
PM Swanidhi.
PM Swanidhi, exactly, right. So PM Swanidhi जो है, right, इसके अंदर जो urban vendors रहते हैं उनको हेल्प की जाएगी, right? तो let's see how that works out. अब मुझे बोलो मुद्रा क्या है? मुद्रा हम लोग कई बार सुनते हैं. What is मुद्रा? It's a microfinancing scheme, right? The Mudra was launched with a lot of coffee discussion, man. It made a lot of news because it made micro loans and microfinancing pretty easy, right? That is it was one of the initially, in fact, one of the first schemes which were really launched by the current government, right? So yeah, okay, moving on. Who has clinched the Miami Open men's tennis title?
Hubert Hurkacz.
Hubert Hurkacz, right? ये इस इंसान ने ये जीता है, right? ये Polish player है, ठीक है? And in fact he defeated a lot of top seeded players to win this Miami Open men's title. Okay, so okay, fair enough. ठीक है, moving on. Researchers of which Indian institution have developed a touch sensitive and a tactile haptic watch for assisting visually impaired people? Right, so this institution has come out with this sort of a watch for people who are visually impaired, right? What is the thing called?
Option C.
Not option C.
IIT Kanpur.
IIT Kanpur is in fact the right answer. IIT Kanpur has in fact launched this, right? देखो आनंद अहमदाबाद तो निकाल नहीं सकता, यहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट वाले बच्चे बैठे हैं, ये कैसे निकालेंगे? ऐसे भी सोचो ना, जो जिसने सी बोला, राइट? आनंद अहमदाबाद कैसे वॉच डेवलप करेगा, राइट? इट हैज टू बी सम IIT और सम टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड थिंग, राइट? तो ऐसे मतलब अगर गेस भी मारे तो थोड़ा सोच समझ के गेस मारा करो, ठीक है, राइट? बिकॉज एट द एंड एग्जाम में यू विल हैव टू टेक अ फ्यू चांसेस, राइट? like good scores come with a few chances, right? You have to like really back yourself up and believe that what I'm answering makes sense. Of course, educated guess maro, tukke mat maro, but like you need to take a few chances, because no matter how much you prepare, there'll be these few questions which will come out of, which will be like will spring surprise on you, and depending on what your aim or goal is, उस हिसाब से you have to take the risk, right? Higher the risk, higher the reward, right? So ये हमेशा याद रखना, and keep on practicing this specific element in your mocks as well, right? Mocks may like be a little, like of course treat it like a proper exam, but mocks may try to like I hope you guys experiment in mocks, right? You see matlab, you know, what's working out for me, what sort of method is working out for me. Keep on experimenting in mocks so that you realize कि, और ऑल्सो मॉक्स भी जब दे रहे हो एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे दिया करो, 3 से लेके 5 के बीच, जो अपना क्लैट का इलेट का टाइम रहता है, राइट? so like even so generally afternoon you guys fall like, you know, all of us feel sleepy वगैरह, तो उस हिसाब से अपना मॉक का टाइमिंग भी उस हिसाब से रखा करो, right? Everything needs to be now focused and centered towards you guys getting a good score, right? So make up your strategies. When I discuss strategies with me, sure, right? Couple of you approached me, I've had a talk with you guys as well, so उस हिसाब से चीजें करते रहो, ठीक है? Moving on, what is ingenuity, which was in news recently?
NASA's
It is
Mars.
NASA.
NASA's helicopter on Mars.
Exactly, it's the helicopter of NASA's helicopter on Mars, right? So basically that's it. Basically it's like a drone, not as a helicopter. So don't think like it is actually a helicopter, right? It's like a drone which looks like a helicopter, right? So yeah, it was making news recently because it sent back a few pictures and NASA has been operating it on the Mars surface, ठीक है? और तो मेरे को बोलो कि ऑक्सफोर्ड वर्ड ऑफ द ईयर कौन सा था इस साल, को बता सकता है?
Lockdown.
No, we discussed lockdown, but in a different context, not Oxford word of the year.
Quarantine.
Not quarantine. It's a trick question, guys, because Oxford this year did not have one specific word of the year. It had multiple words of the year. ठीक है? So yeah, there's no one specific Oxford word of the year. ठीक है? Okay. Next question. In which state or union territory is the 1.3 kilometer long this thing being constructed?
Himachal Pradesh.
Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir.
It's the
Jammu and
Chenab
Kashmir.
bridge. So फिर चेनाब जाती भी कहाँ पे, right? So like for example, इस हिसाब से हम लोग दिमाग लगा सकते हैं कि चेनाब river, it goes through only Jammu Kashmir, right? So the answer is in fact Jammu Kashmir, right? And this is being and why is this thing famous? Why is this 1.3 kilometer long bridge really famous? Like कोई इसको reason बता सकता है?
It's the highest railway bridge.
That's correct, right? It's the highest railway bridge, right? It stands at 359 meters above the ground level, right? And it's a very engineering miracle as well, because the construction has been fairly difficult and they've been able to manage it, right? So please remember, इसका मतलब बहुत important aspect of this question is knowing that is the highest railway bridge. ये पता होना हमें ज्यादा important है question के लिए, right? So please ये note down कर लेना, right? Highest railway bridge, ठीक है? Which organization has allowed private sector firms to partner in the production of missile systems?
ISRO.
ISRO is not the
DRDO.
answer. DRDO is in fact the right answer, right? Defense and Research Development Organization, right? DRDO has allowed private sector firms. So जैसे अभी lot of जैसे look, we talk about in American or the Western context, right? Lot of the missiles or like this army all related stuff, right, is in fact made by these private firms only, like Lockheed Martin हो गया या your Dassault हो गया, ये सब चीजें मतलब इनके they have all these fronts as well, कि all these nice fronts of you know कि हम लोग कार बनाते हैं, हम लोग ये सब करते हैं, but इनका जो मेन धंधा रहता है जिससे इनका बहुत ज्यादा like they earn good share of money is through selling aviation, right? So now India में you have allowed for private sector firms to also like for the production of missiles. So you'll see a lot of now these Reliance वगैरह type getting into it, ठीक है? तो इसमें profit margin बहुत ज्यादा रहता है. Now, which state has approved an ordinance to regulate rent and tenancy agreement, which was promulgated in the year January 2021?
Uttar Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
not Madhya Pradesh,
Gujarat.
Gujarat.
not Gujarat guys,
Uttar Pradesh.
उत्तर प्रदेश एग्जैक्टली. सो प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है ना, जो रेंट और टेनेंसी अग्रीमेंट है राइट, इनमें एनी टाइम देयर इज अ डिस्प्यूट, इट ऑफन बिकम्स दैट देयर आर मल्टीपल फोरम्स इन व्हिच यू कैन अप्रोच. ठीक है, इसका प्रॉपर मतलब एक तो स्टेट के लेवल पे कई बार लॉस काफी मेस्ड अप रहता है, ऊपर से ऐसा भी होता है कि बहुत सारे फोरम्स के जा सकते हो. तुम रेंट कंट्रोल अथॉरिटी के जा सकते हो, तुम कंज्यूमर फोरम जा सकते हो राइट, तुम चाहिए तो तुम मेनली तो सिविल कोर्ट पे जा ही सकते हो. तो इस चीज को काफी मतलब इट हैज क्रिएटेड लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ लिटिगेशन इन इंडिया. तो उसको थोड़ा रेगुलेट करने के लिए ये लाया गया राइट. ठीक है. नाउ व्हिच कंट्री इज अप्रूव्ड Kilbri, a first new drug for children with ADHD?
USA.
Yeah, yes is the right answer. Right. So ADHD जो होता है, it's the attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, right? And basically, can anyone tell me which is a very famous medicine which is used to treat ADHD?
Ritalin.
Sorry,
Ritalin.
not Ritalin. Ritalin is fair enough, but there's this one which is very infamous, right? Which is known as Adderall. Right, Adderall is often used. It's also known as a study drug, right? Adderall, modafinil, these are all known as study drugs as well, right? So basically, अमेरिका में ऐसा हो गया था कि ये ADHD के नाम के पीछे lot of people started taking, lot of healthy people started taking these because they sort of realized कि these like कि this so probably help them in studying or something, right? Because इनसे attention focus होता है. ठीक है. Okay. Next question, guys. A massive data leak has been witnessed by which social networking giant recently? Is it
Facebook.
WhatsApp, Orkut,
Facebook.
Twitter, or Facebook?
Facebook.
In fact, yes. The answer is
Facebook.
Facebook. Facebook 533 million accounts were user accounts were in fact the data around them was leaked. इसमें good thing is मार्क जकरबर्ग खुद का भी अकाउंट था, तो मतलब चलो उनका भी गया, अपना तो गया बट उनका भी चला गया. ठीक है. Okay, fair enough. Next question, guys. Right. Keep on participating others जो क्लास पे लेकर कि आई होप लाइक किसी थोड़ा थोड़ा किसी को तो पता ही होगा, तो जितना पता है उस हिसाब से बोल देना प्लीज, बट आई लाइक पार्टिसिपेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच कंट्री इज होस्टेड द मीटिंग ऑफ ब्रिक्स? जो ब्रिक्स की अभी करंटली जो ये थी ऑन द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर जो भी मीटिंग हुई थी ब्रिक्स की.
इंडिया.
Brazil.
इंडिया इज द आंसर. इंडिया इज द आंसर राइट. जो ब्रिक्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो 2000 या ये क्या हो गया, 2009 में it was established BRICS. And the funny thing is that this term BRICS, right, in fact came from a research assistant of a particular professor. ठीक है, उसका नाम who coined this term BRICS. ठीक है, so उसका नाम है रूपा पुरुषोत्तम. ठीक है, so this is the person who in fact coined the term BRICS back in the day. ठीक है. Okay, fair enough. Moving on. Now this PLI scheme for white goods has been approved recently. ठीक है, जैसे एक स्कीम है. अब मेरे को बताओ ये स्कीम कौन से गुड्स के लिए? What are the goods which are covered under this tag?
Air conditioners and LED lights.
Air conditioners and LED lights, exactly. So the funda being that India feels that we import a lot of air conditioners and LED lights, right? And there needs to be a lot more production which should happen in India. Sorry, right? So उस हिसाब से इंडिया ने basically ये जो PLI scheme है वो निकाली गई है, right? To have more production of air conditioners and LED lights in India, and accordingly some concessions will be provided to these to people who make these. ठीक है. Okay, fair enough. Next question. Who is the appointed as the mission director of this Atal Innovation Mission, AIM का?
Chintan Vaishnav.
Chintan Vaishnav. Fair enough. Right. Chintan Vaishnav is the right answer. Right. कुछ ज्यादा उसमें कुछ है नहीं. ठीक है. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. 47th question, guys. INS Server Shak has been deployed in which country for conducting a joint hydrographic survey? ये कंट्री में डाला गया है. कौन सी कंट्री है?
Vietnam.
Not Vietnam.
Maldives.
Japan.
Not Japan. Not Maldives. अभी सब ऑप्शंस हो गए, एक ही ऑप्शन बचा है. आंसर इज मॉरिशस. ठीक है. और मेरे को बता सकते हैं मॉरिशस की कैपिटल क्या है गाइस? What is Mauritius capital called? Port Louis, guys. Port Louis, याद रखना, Port Louis is the capital of Mauritius, right? Randomly कभी पूछ लिया गया तो ठीक है. Okay, next question. Copyright Amendment Rules 2021, which were in news recently, have been notified by which union ministry?
Commerce
So-
and industry.
Sorry,
Commerce and
Industry.
industry.
not Commerce and Industry, guys.
Ministry of
Right.
Information and Broadcasting.
Yes, IB ministry ने डाला गया है ये, right? फंडा basically है कि now they want to make a few changes. I told you guys, right? कि थोड़ा like a law becomes law when it's finally gazetted. ठीक है, so they wanted to make some changes with respect to the gazette requirement of it, right? And ये rules के through उन लोगों ने trying to get something with respect to that, right? Okay, fair enough. Netra Kunman, who was in news recently, is the first Indian woman to qualify for which sport in Tokyo Olympics?
Sailing.
Sailing is in fact the right answer, right? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, right? इसे समझ लो, अगर तुम्हारी एग्जाम ओलंपिक्स के पहले आ गई, राइट, तो ग्रेट, तो क्वेश्चन कम होंगे, इन सब पे हमको फोकस करना पड़ेगा. अगर ओलंपिक्स के बाद हुआ तो क्वेश्चन थोड़ा पैटर्न चेंज हो जाएगा, ठीक है. मतलब तो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम कोई क्वालिफाई किया है, उसके साथ और 3 इंडियन मैन हैव आल्सो क्वालिफाइड, तो अपना टोटल कंटिजेंट 4 लोगों का होने वाला है, ठीक है, सेलिंग में. ओके, which model of the RBI has been modified to capture low fiscal and monetary policy, like to better capture how fiscal and monetary policy interact with real economy elements, ठीक है. तो बेसिकली नाउ दिस, ये कोई मॉडल एग्जिस्ट करता है, इसको थोड़ा ट्विक किया गया है, ठीक है. तो कौन सा मॉडल है ये?
Reverse repo rate, repo model.
नो एनी फैक्ट, एनी लाइक ऐसे ही देख लो ना कि मतलब रिवर्स रेपो रेट होता है, ये कोई मॉडल नहीं होता है, एकदम मॉडल के हिसाब से सोचो.
MCLR.
Not MCLR. The
Option
answer
D.
is option D is the right answer, right? But वही when I say थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंट तुक्का लगाओ, ऐसे भी सोचते जाओ कि repo rate is not a model, reverse repo rate is not a model. These are things by which the RBI grants. This is the interest which the RBI grants and takes, like basically on banks, right? So anytime the money is giving, RBI is giving money to banks, repo rate is what is the interest rate is given on the bank, right? तो ये मॉडल नहीं होता है, मतलब यहाँ पे मॉडल डाल जिसका मतलब ये नहीं कि नेसेसरीली मॉडल, इट्स एन इंटरेस्ट रेट रादर, ठीक है. तो तुक्के लगाने तो ऐसे भी लगा के सोच, ठीक है.
So,
यस,
can you check the copyrights wala question? I think it is Commerce and Industry Ministry.
we will check this, right? I might be wrong about this, right? एक बार इसको देख लेंगे at the end of class, ठीक है. Thank you for telling me that. Yeah. Okay, perfect, guys. Right. Which international organization has proposed imposing a solidarity tax? Basically, like solidarity tax माने कि you tax the rich, right? So basically कई बार ये term सुनी जाती है कि tax the rich because high earners के ऊपर कम tax लगाया जाता है, उनका 50% लो, उनका 70% लो, उस हिसाब से. तो किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने बोला ये?
IMF.
IMF is the right answer, right? IMF ने बोला ये कर दो, right? जैसे अमेरिका में कई बार the person who associate with this term is Bernie Sanders or AOC, Alexia Ocasio-Cortez. ये सब लोग कई बार इस solidarity tax के बारे में बात करते हैं, right? कि रिच इंसान पे ज्यादा टैक्स लगाओ, ठीक है. Okay, 52nd question, guys. Which 2 organizations are planning to launch a platform for advising poor countries on climate change funding? ये कोई कभी ये 2 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मिलके हाउ टू गो अबाउट क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में ये 2 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अभी एडवाइस करेंगे. कौन सा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है?
World Bank and IMF.
World Bank and IMF is the correct answer, right? कागज में है नहीं, और right, these 2 organizations would be helping them out. Okay, perfect. Now Sarthak, which was in news recently, is an implementation plan related to which policy? So Sarthak has been come out with like this sort of a portal, right? Like जिसमें थोड़ा मतलब CBSE की बुक्स थोड़े से आप हिसाब से समझ ही जाएगा.
New education policy.
NEP के लिए this Sarthak has been launched, ठीक है. It has some again like lot of कुछ तो ridiculously long इसका full form है, right? And every one of these things they somehow manage to make sense of all these things. S कुछ तो है, A कुछ तो R कुछ तो है, ठीक है? And इसका नाम से सार्थक दिया है. Okay, next question guys. Blue flag is a globally recognized eco-label certification provided to beaches from which country?
Denmark.
Denmark.
Denmark is in fact the right answer, right? उनको बता सकते हैं why was this in news though? ये blue flag है. Why was this in news though?
Recently, India's 8 beaches got a blue flag tag.
Blue flag tag, so like we have gotten a blue flag tag in 2019 as well, but specifically this was in news because Odisha mein, right, one of the beaches got the blue flag tag, and when you get a blue flag tag you have to like comply with a lot of requirements, right? So lot of fishing requirements have to be there. So farmers have been really protesting. Odisha fishermen have been Odisha fishermen have been really protesting. Couple of Odisha beaches getting the blue flag tag because then there will be restrictions on what they can do. ठीक है. Now, as an acknowledgement of gender equality, which country has replaced the term airmen with aviators?
Australia.
Australia is a wonderful answer. That's the correct answer. Guys, बाकी सब keep on guessing, keep on answering. So the answer is Australia. Australia has around 20% of women in its Royal Australian Air Force, the RAAF, right? And basically जो airman जो term है इसको aviators बोला जाएगा. Again, it's a very quirky question which might be asked, right? So again, like these are the sort of things that we have to really look out for. These sort of questions, right? ठीक है. So Australia is the answer for this. Also, who's a person we generally associate, who's a very famous female pilot, जैसे जिसके कई बार reference दिया जाता है. Static में बोलो, who's the person that we talk about as a very famous female pilot? American थी वो, को बता सकता है? I'm pretty sure you must have heard the name. She is the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic. Anyone? It's Emilia Earhart, guys. You must have heard the name. सुना है नाम? Emilia Earhart. किसी ने सुना है? नहीं? Okay, fair enough. Note it down. Right, Emilia Earhart. She is considered to be this very famous female pilot. She flew solo across the Atlantic. Right. Okay. So moving on. Next question. Which bank announced the winners of the Smartup Grants 2021? ये कोई तो competition थी.
HDFC Bank.
HDFC Bank. Perfect. HDFC Bank is the right answer for this. Okay. Moving on. Now, what is the name of the book written by Utkal Keshri, Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab, whose Hindi translation was launched by the Prime Minister recently? So this person has written a particular book, right? मेरे को दो पार्ट बताओ. मेरे को बताओ ये इंसान भी कौन है, एंड फिर उन्होंने कौन सी बुक लिखी ये भी बताओ. Come on, guess, guys.
Bharat Samrat.
Not Bharat Samrat.
Odisha Itihas.
Odisha Itihas is the correct answer, right? And मैं बता सकता हूँ who is this person though? Who's Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab? He is the first chief minister of Odisha. ठीक है? So Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab was the first chief minister of Odisha as well, and he's written this book Utkal Keshri. ठीक है? Okay, fair enough. Moving on. The freedom and navigation operation has been conducted by which country in the Indian Ocean region? Okay, so this. Sorry. USA, right? USA is the right answer. अब इसका relevance ऐसा है कि basically this happened inside the India's like economic zone, right? और इंडिया को इसमें पता नहीं था, तो इसलिए थोड़ा न्यूज में आ गया था, right? Because like there was no permission sought for from India to get this operation done, right? Okay. Also, can you guys tell me how much is a country's territorial jurisdiction in open waters?
14 nautical miles.
How many?
Something.
12 nautical miles.
12 nautical miles. That's correct, right? So ये question CLAT में in fact पूछा गया, right? Wherein they were asking about, not in GK but in fact in legal, there was a question which is based on laws around the law of the seas, right? So basically, and so in yeah, note down कर लेना कि a country का territorial jurisdiction माने a country has its like country can claim that area as its own for up to 12 nautical miles. But there is also known as something called as an exclusive economic zone. माने कि country can जिसकी जितने भी resources है वो उतने resources then lie with the country. ठीक है, so that is 200 nautical miles. ठीक है, so 200 nautical miles का area is what a country can claim as its exclusive economic zone. ठीक है, perfect. Next question. Which municipal corporation of India issued the first green bonds in the country?
Ghaziabad.
Ghaziabad, in fact, the right answer. Right. Ghaziabad. So basically, green bonds जो रहते हैं are usually a governmental scheme wherein you invest the money. It's backed by the government. So, but interest rate काफी उसका कम रहता है. So it's generally considered to be a safe, but not a very exciting investment, right? So and green bond because this will be the money that will be raised through this would be used for a water treatment plant in the Ghaziabad Municipal Corporation India. ठीक है? Okay. Next question, guys. Which institution is set to launch a handbook on online dispute resolution?
SEBI.
Not SEBI.
Niti Aayog.
Yeah, the answer
RBI.
isn't. No, the answer is Niti Aayog for this, right? एक बार I'll have to just check though. I mean, my memory is also a bit weak on this, right? I'll have to check. वो एक बार just check कर लो एक बार. It has to be Niti Aayog, but can like एक बार just check this one out once before we move on. Somebody just check and tell me. ठीक है. 61st question, guys. Which country has launched a hotline portal to report defamatory comments done by historical nihilists?
China.
China is the correct answer, right? And in fact, we'll also be celebrating 100 years of the Communist Party of China. के 100 years would be done. Sorry about that. Yeah. So basically, an historical nihilist, people who deny whatever Chinese history. So you can really, like you can go and like complain about these people, right? And yeah. So this is what the country has launched this historical nihilist, right? Historical nihilist, another like a very common example of historical nihilist is what we refer to as people Holocaust deniers. जो बोलते हैं कि Holocaust हुआ ही नहीं था, right? The Jews were not killed in fact, right? So these are people who generally refer to as historical nihilists, जो कि deny करता है, right? Okay, fair enough. Sputnik V, Sputnik has been this COVID-19 vaccine has been approved by Indian experts panel, which was launched by which country, guys?
Russia.
Russia.
Right. Yeah. And what is the company who has made Sputnik vaccine? Gamaleya Research Center, exactly. Gamaleya Research Center. ठीक है. Right. Okay. Now, what is the original name of the Antarctica's Doomsday Glacier, which was making news recently? So basically, this is a huge glacier, guys. Right? It's in fact 1.9 lakh square kilometers in its area, right? And in fact, like, sorry. Option A is the correct answer, right? Anyone else? Like somebody was saying something? कुछ बोल रहा था? नहीं? Okay. Fair enough, right? Okay, so but remember, guys, the answer for this obviously is option number A, the Proteus Glacier. I would say important question, right? Because I don't know. I think part of Proteus fell apart. I think a few days ago, or something like something had occurred a few days ago as well with respect to this.
It's melting rapidly.
Melting rapidly and like so again, important question. पूछा जा सकता है. थोड़ा quirky सा question है, but an important question regardless for you to know. ठीक है. As per recent data, the population of which species has doubled in the Chilka Lake? So basically, there's this like Chilka Lake में ये एक कोई तो dolphins, exactly, right? Basically, guys, my audio is very clear to you guys, right? कोई problem नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
No, na? Great. Okay. So in fact, and these are the Irrawaddy dolphins. ठीक है. So Irrawaddy dolphins का जो not we are talking specifically about the Irrawaddy dolphins here, and इनकी population has doubled in the Chilka Lake. ठीक है? Okay, moving on guys, moving on. ठीक है? Which state is to involve Arthias in the direct payment process for farmers?
Punjab.
Punjab. Yeah, Punjab is the right answer. So Arthias are basically these commission agents, and now basically पहले जो भी पेमेंट होता था, right, जो मंडी में पेमेंट होता था, ऐसा होता कि गवर्नमेंट वो एजेंट्स को देती थी और एजेंट्स फिर आगे देते थे. Now they want to make it a direct payment process, but they also don't want to get rid of those agents altogether. So they're gonna like involve them in some way. I don't know how they're gonna do that, but like this is what Punjab government plans to do. Okay, fair enough. Moving on. The Artemis program is undertaken by which organization? मुझे बताओ ये प्रोग्राम रेलेवेंट भी क्यों है? नासा इज द राइट आंसर, बट मुझे बताओ ये प्रोग्राम रेलेवेंट क्यों है? Why is Artemis program relevant, guys? Anyone? Okay, so basically it wants to, because the reasoning mean it wants to put the first colored person and like first women on space, right, on moon, right? So there's been a lot of discussion in the current Biden administration and that even the Trump administration to say that they really want to put people back on moon, right? And Artemis mission program has been specifically designed to do that, right? To put people on moon, right? Because the last time we went to moon was the year in 1972, so काफी time हो गया, right? Okay, perfect. Naura Al Matraushi has been identified as the first female astronaut of which country? Not Iran, it's in fact UAE, right? And she'd be doing her training at the Johnson Space Center, right? Which is in Houston, Texas, right? Okay, what is the name of the tropical cyclone that made landfall in the Western Australian region?
Seroja.
Yes, the answer in fact is Seroja, right? ये जो Seroja ये था, ये made landfall in the Western Australia, काफी थोड़ा डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ ही था वहाँ पे, right? ठीक है. Okay, fair enough. Next question. The day on which the Indian Army launched the Operation Meghdut is observed as which special day, guys?
Siachen Day.
Is it Siachen Day or is it the Kargil Divas?
Siachen Day.
Siachen Day.
The Siachen Day is in fact the right answer, right? So basically this was 13th April 1984 when we were able to recapture the Bilfonla Pass, right? Bilfonla region of the Siachen, right? And the day is then celebrated as like Meghdut was the operation, and it's celebrated as the Siachen Day.
So can you please repeat the date when they captured it?
13th April 1984. 13 April 1984. Okay, so and that is when the Operation Meghdut was launched to recapture. Bilfonla was the region of Siachen. Okay. Sajibu Chairoba is the Lunar New Year festival celebrated in which Indian state, guys?
Manipur?
Manipur in fact is the right answer. Yes, Manipur is the right answer, right? Basically जो साजिबू होता है साजिबू month होता है, and basically this is celebrated in the state of Manipur. So Chairoba is kind of the festival and falls in that month, so it's called the Sajibu Chairoba. ठीक है. What is the name of the farthest gamma ray emitting galaxy that has been discovered recently? So एक कोई तो बेसिकली बहुत दूर की गैलेक्सी, राइट? ये भी रिसेंटली डिस्कवर्ड हुई है. तो क्या ये एंड्रोमेडा है, क्या ये स्काईवे, क्या ये मिल्क लाइन है, narrow line Seyfert is the answer for this, right? Narrow line Seyfert is the answer. अब मेरे को बता सकते हैं कि मतलब what is Andromeda then, guys?
It's the galaxy that's gonna collide with Milky Way.
I mean, more than that, it is also the nearest, right? Collision reason तो पता नहीं, but it is definitely the nearest galaxy that we have, right? And that will be Andromeda. ठीक है, ये स्पेस रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हम लोग कई बार भूल जाते हैं. Space is also one of the, in terms of static, right? It's something that's actively asked as well whenever they get an, obviously they've moved away from asking static a lot, but whenever they do get an opportunity, space is something that, because it's generally forgettable, right? अगर पूछ ले कि जुपिटर का मून क्या है, right? I mean गैनीमीड बोलना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, right? We often get confused between space related GK, so always ensure that अपना space GK थोड़ा ढंग का रहे, because that is often asked because of the very confusing nature of it. ठीक है. Okay, next question, guys. Which organization has released the pictures of titled The Blue Dunes of Red Planet?
NASA.
NASA.
So,
NASA, in fact, is the right answer, right? And basically, इसका फंडा ये है कि we have the, it's for the celebration of the 20 years of the Odyssey, right? Which was launched back then. उसका 20 years celebrate करने के लिए कि ये मार्स पे जाके पहुंचा था, तो इसके लिए पिक्चर्स निकाले गए. And guys, can I tell you which is the first satellite, like which is the first like how, which is the first like machine which was sent to Mars? What is the name of that? Back in the year 97. Sorry, can you repeat? Your voice is cracking a bit. I can't really hear you properly, but the answer I'll tell you guys is the Sojourner, right? So SOYOURNGER, Sojourner was the first mission to Mars, right? Back in the year 97. Yeah. Okay. The month of April is dedicated for the awareness of which disease, guys?
Cancer.
Not cancer.
Parkinson's.
Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease, in fact, is the right answer. Parkinson's disease attacks your central nervous system. It what it essentially does is like it makes your, like eventually it leads to a point where you can't like तुम्हारी memory वगैरह सब चली जाती है, but starting में symptoms are like you can't hold stuff properly, your hand constantly shakes, so on and so forth. And it's in fact the person who, like it's named after the person, James Parkinson. ठीक है, so like fair enough. And yeah, currently it doesn't have any sort of a treatment that can be given to it, right? To cure it essentially. Now, over 4,200 tons of salmon have been killed by which killer algae? Have been killed by killer algae in which country, guys?
Chile.
In fact, yeah, the answer is Chile, right? So Chile में these देखिए killer algae ने in fact salmons को मार दिया, तो मतलब yeah, weird, right? But ठीक है. Okay, which sad question, guys? Which Pakistani player has topped the ICC men's ODI batting ranking, surpassing Virat Kohli?
Babar Azam.
Babar Azam. In fact, Babar Azam overtook Virat Kohli, and now he's at the top of the ICC men's ODI batting ranking. We can only hope that Kohli comes back on top. Okay. Okay. 76 question, guys. Which country has mandated banks, insurers, and investment managers operating in the country to report the impacts of climate change on their business?
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Huh?
New
New
Zealand.
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 New Zealand.
Exactly. New Zealand is the right answer, guys. Right. New Zealand ने ये किया गया, right? So yeah. Perfect. Now, which country is to launch Rashid, which is the unmanned rover to the moon next year?
UAE.
UAE.
UAE. So you've been getting a lot into the space business, and obviously you saw the female astronaut being there, and also now they want to launch their own rover to moon as well, right? With the help of obviously NASA के साथ मिलकर करेंगे. ठीक है. Bohag Bihu bird count has commenced in which Indian state?
Assam.
Assam.
Assam is the right answer. We can always guess by this thing as well. Just by thinking about bihu वगैरह इस हिसाब से हम लोग भी लगा सकते थोड़ा guess. Assam is the right answer. ये थोड़ा मतलब ये birds को they keep a count of their these specific birds. ठीक है, तो ये करते हैं हर साल ये count करते हैं. ठीक है. 79th question. Human rights activist and journalist Ibn Abdur Rahman, who died recently, was from which country?
Pakistan.
India.
Not India.
Pakistan.
Pakistan is the right answer. Wonderful answer. Right. So basically, this guy, he wrote extensively on India-Pakistan relations. He, in fact, was also given the Raman Magsaysay Award a few years ago. And yeah. And मैं बता सकता हूँ रामन मार्क्सेसे कौन है वैसे? We talk about Magsaysay Award, but कौन है Magsaysay? Guys, come on, tell me who's Magsaysay. We talk about इसको रामन Magsaysay मिला, उसको Magsaysay मिला. Magsaysay है कौन था? किसको नहीं पता? पता होगा यार, come on. Okay, so the answer is that he was Raman Magsaysay was the Philippines president, right? And उनके ऊपर ये award का नाम रखा गया है, right? So yeah, do remember, yeah, guys, right? पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Fair enough. Moving on. Guillermo Lasso has been elected as the president of which country?
Ecuador.
Ecuador. Yeah, Guillermo Lasso. And कौन बता सकता है कि इक्वाडोर की कैपिटल क्या है सर? नोट डाउन, याद रखें ना, इक्वाडोर की कैपिटल का नाम है क्यूएटो, राइट? जनरली कैसे कैपिटल पूछा नहीं जाता, राइट? these are not generally asked in your law entrance test if you guys are attempting ऐसे कोई अगर कोई मतलब बाद में जाके if you guys end up writing these government SSC वगैरह all these exams उसमें पूछा जाता है, but yeah, you don't need to know like capitals in general, but just for the sake of GK पता होना चाहिए हमें कि exactly कौन सी चीज की क्या कैपिटल है, whatever, right? Perfect. Now, vaccines produced by Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, now they use this specific virus for the COVID-19 vaccine. What is this virus called, guys?
Adenovirus.
Adenovirus, right?
No.
Exactly. So, for example, when we talk about Pfizer or Moderna, they use this mRNA technology. Adenovirus has been the most, like, it's been tested over a lot of years, right? That's the oldest way that people ended up making vaccines. राइट कि एडिनोवायरस, वीकेंड एडिनोवायरस लो, उसको तुम लाइक यू डू थिंग्स विद इट, यू पुट इट इन सम पहले जब बनाते थे हॉट सॉस में डालते थे और उसके बाद वो दे यूज्ड टू गेट द वैक्सीन, ठीक है? बट एडिनोवायरस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस. ओके, Exgarzid, I won't even try to pronounce this, the ancient giant reptiles, because ये recently इसकी मिला था, इसके ये मिले थे, it was found while digging excavation process. This ancient giant reptiles are known for a peculiar part of the body. Which is their peculiar part?
Tail.
Fin.
Not tail, not
Fin.
fin.
Neck.
No,
Horns.
neck. Neck is the answer. These reptiles, these dinosaurs, they had huge necks, right? So yeah, they had these huge necks and they were known for their particular part of their necks. ठीक है? Okay, let's move on. ठीक है, एक मिनट देखो. Yeah, and in fact it was found in the like in Morocco में मिला था, मोरक्को में एक्सप्रेशन चल रहा था उस टाइम पे मिला था, ठीक है? Okay, moving on, guys. Which e-commerce major is set to acquire ClearTrip?
Flipkart.
Flipkart, in fact, is the correct answer. Flipkart would be the one who's acquiring, would be acquiring the ClearTrip. And Flipkart के founders कौन थे, guys? Flipkart founders? कौन? You must have known the name.
Sachin
No, no.
Bansal and Binny Bansal.
Exactly, the Bansal brothers, Sachin and Binny Bansal, right? One of them left the company, right? But yeah, Sachin and Binny Bansal. Okay. US has decided to withdraw all American troops from which country by September 11? Afghanistan, right? इसमें भी America would be अपने हिसाब से, because they want to commemorate 20 years of 9/11 attacks, right? So and Afghanistan, finally there won't be any American troops after 20 years, there won't be any sort of American presence, right? So, and because उसके पहले भी in Afghanistan initially there was the Russian presence, and then उसके बाद then for the longest time there was Taliban. So now finally Afghanistan would, let's see what happens with an independent Afghanistan, ठीक है, with no sort of external support, ठीक है? 85th question, guys. A refusal to work in essential services is prohibited under which act? So basically, if you're someone who works in essential services, you can't refuse to work unless otherwise you'll be prosecuted. ठीक है, you'll be subject to action. ये कौन से act के अंदर खाता है?
ESMA, ESMA.
ESMA is the correct answer, guys. It's the Essential Services Maintenance Act, right? So you will be, if you are someone who's in the essential services, you'll be prosecuted under this act. ठीक है? Okay. Which country has delivered the first lot of light bulletproof vehicles to the Indian Air Force in collaboration with the company Lockheed Martin?
DRDO.
Not DRDO. It's Indian company. देखो ना.
Tata Motors.
Ashok Leyland.
Leyland.
Ashok Leyland, exactly, right. Guess मारो guys, थोड़ा सोच के मारो, पूरा क्वेश्चन अच्छे से पढ़ो, right? कि अशोक लेलैंड, right? And वैसे अशोक लेलैंड कौन ओन करता है guys? अशोक लेलैंड का who's the किसके अंडर आता है ये? पता है किसी को? हिंदुजा ग्रुप guys, हिंदुजा ग्रुप, right? याद रख लेना. Yeah. Okay. Now, which country is to deliver the regimental set of S-400 Growler to India?
Russia.
Russia. ये S-400 मतलब इतने सालों से चला जा रहा है, even right from the time when I was preparing for it. उस टाइम पे इसका कुछ तो the idea was mooted, and since then this is still going on and in different sort of now उसके कुछ तो upgrade. But yeah, this has been going on for, this is an anti-missile or a missile system. I think it's a ground missile system. Right, so and it's been going on forever. हर साल कुछ ना कुछ इसका बारे में न्यूज़ आती रहती है, करंट अफेयर्स. ठीक है. Okay, moving on, guys. Which ministry hosted the 40th scientific expedition to Antarctica? ISEA.
Science and Technology.
It is the Ministry of Science and Technology, right? And in fact, the उसका फंडा भी that लेनो कि so basically ये 40th expedition गया था to Antarctica, ठीक है? And इसका जो MV the like they went on the specific vehicle called the MV Vasily Golovin, MV Vasily Golovin, ठीक है? हमें कोई बता सकता है कि ये जो क्या बोलते हैं, जो what was the first Indian जो अंटार्कटिका में जो अपने जो सेंटर्स उनका नाम क्या है?
Dakshin Gangotri, Maitri, and
Yeah, Dakshin Gangotri and Maitri is the answer that I was looking for, right? So yeah, basically also guys, just a quick check. I just had to I was kind of unsure about this, so I just did a quick check. The answer for this is in fact Ministry of Earth Sciences, not Science and Technology. Okay, please make that correction if you have written anywhere. It's the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Okay, please remember that. But yeah, Dakshin Gangotri and Maitri are the answers that you're looking for, right? These are India ke Antarctica mein centers, research centers. Now, Lunar 25 is the name of lunar mission of which country? Is it USA?
Russia.
Is it Russia? Russia. Yes, Russia is the answer. Perfect, great answer there. Okay, nice. Now, Table Mountain National Park, यहाँ पे it was in news recently because यहाँ पे आग लग गई, forest fire हो गया था. ये कौन से country में?
Australia.
Not Australia. South Africa, right? अब इसमें अगर उनको like even if to guess right now, like if you guys might know, then like Kilimanjaro is a flat, it's a table mountain, right? उसका peak नहीं होता है, it's a table at its top, right? So then we know कि उस region में काफी सारे table mountains है. तो अगर even if we apply mind that way, right, we would be able to come to a conclusion कि इसका आंसर होगा South Africa. ठीक है? So just like knowing information around things would always help you come to a conclusion with respect to answers. ठीक है? Now Tehri Lake, on whose bank an adventure sport institute has been opened, is in which state? Simple है.
Uttarakhand.
Right. इसका आंसर का तो मतलब क्वेश्चन का मेन पार्ट ये है कि तहरी लेक के यहाँ पे एक एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन हैज बीन ओपन. ठीक है? Fair enough. Moving on. Vera Gedrotis, who featured in a Google Doodle recently, is the first female military surgeon of which country?
Russia.
Is it Russia or is she from France? The person who answered?
France.
Not France, it's Russia. Yeah, so. Right. Be sure of your answers, guys. Right. She was the first female military surgeon, and in fact, she was there in the Russian-Japanese War in the year 1904. Right. So important to note down. Right. That she was there in the Russian-Japanese War. Okay. Yeah. So and उसका फिर Google Doodle बना गया था. Moving on. What is the name of the condition in which a human body is deprived of adequate oxygen supply at a tissue level? ठीक है. So basically, like इससे basically this is the reason as to why people die from COVID as well, right? तो मतलब क्या होता है?
Hypoxia.
Hypoxia.
Hypoxia is the reason. Again, like a COVID related question जो basically पूछा जा सकता है, right? Because it has a good element of static plus current plus you knowing something that is mainstream but also surrounding it, right? So it makes a perfect sense for a question maker to ask this sort of a question, right? Because then you have to know as to why exactly people die from COVID. So oxygen नहीं मिलता but उस condition को hypoxia बोला जाता है. ठीक है? These are the things that we need to note down, and I hope you guys are trying to understand the pattern that I'm trying to direct you towards while you're preparing as well on your own. कि ऐसे pattern के questions देखा करो. ठीक है? Okay. Perfect. Moving on. PSA ऑक्सीजन प्लांट, ये हमने कई रिसेंटली एक महीने में कई बार सुना होगा PSA जिससे बेसिकली ऑक्सीजन बनाया जाता है. ठीक है. What is the full form of PSA?
Option A.
Option A in fact is the right answer, guys. It's the pressure swing adsorption. It's the PSA plant. It's the pressure swing adsorption plant जिससे ऑक्सीजन बनाया जाता है. ठीक है. Okay. Now which authority recently ruled that flavored milk, जो अपना अमूल का मिल्क रहता है ना, is in fact a beverage containing milk and not milk, because milk पे कम टैक्स GST लगता है, beverage पे ज्यादा लगता है, right? तो अभी उन्होंने बोला कि इसके ऊपर ज्यादा it will get bit dearer, it will be a lot more costlier because of the additional tax. तो कौन किसने बोला ये? AAR. No, AAR is the answer. It's the Authority for Advanced Ruling and not Central Board of Indirect Taxes, right? But yeah, अब इसी क्वेश्चन में शायद से कुछ ना कुछ they might just ask not directly with. Yes, Sairaj, you have a question. You have raised your hand.
By mistake.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. ठीक है. So do note इसके मतलब इसका शायद से different sort of question आ जाए कि this the following was considered as a beverage whatever, right? So again might be not very important but like still need to know. Who was the head of Committee on Financial Systems in 1991 and Committee on Banking Reforms in the 1998? This person recently died. Not
M.
Manmohan.
Narasimhan.
M. Narasimhan, exactly. M. Narasimhan. He recently passed away. Sir, right. Yes.
In 1991, when that foreign currency was very less.
Yeah.
Sir, Manmohan Singh was at some post. Which was that?
Yeah, he was the RBI governor. He was the RBI governor.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. Basically, yeah. So, yeah, fair enough. Great. Yeah, sorry. Can you just quickly check, was the RBI governor in 92 or was he the financial minister in 92?
He was finance minister, I think.
Finance minister, yeah. Narasimhan Rao, exactly. He was the finance minister. And prior to that, he had ended his term as the RBI governor and then he was called upon as the financial minister. Right. So yeah. But yes, please make that correction. He was the finance minister in the year 92. Okay. And also M. Narasimhan is a peculiar case because he's been the only RBI governor who's in fact been appointed as an RBI governor from the RBI cadre. Okay. So basically all people come from their, like RBI governors generally are never from the RBI cadre. They are मतलब एक्सटर्नली बुलाया जाता है. रघुराम राजन हो गया, बाकी कोई मतलब कोई IAS ऑफिसर होता है जो आरबीआई से रिलेटेड नहीं होता है बट उनको बनाया जाता है सर. बट इज द ओनली पर्सन, सो ही इज पेक्युलर इन दैट एस्पेक्ट. ठीक है. इंडियाज फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन एक्सप्रेस कैरिड ऑक्सीजन टू व्हिच स्टेट? इज इट उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, असम और हरियाणा? महाराष्ट्र एग्जैक्टली राइट. ये न्यूज में आया था जब ऑक्सीजन की कमी चल रही थी तो महाराष्ट्र में, नासिक में भी आई थी. ठीक है. ओके. Moving on, guys. Fact a rebel group who were in news recently are associated with which country?
Nigeria.
Chad.
Not Nigeria, guys.
Chad.
Chad, exactly. Chad is the answer for this, right? And इसका मतलब it was also news because इनका like the elections happened and Idris Deby was elected as the president, but the very next day he was assassinated by this rebel group, the FACT rebel group. ठीक है, तो इसलिए also more in news for that as well, right? So poor thing for Idris Deby. ठीक है. Okay. Now, what is the theme of the Earth Day 2021, guys?
Restore our earth.
Restore our Earth, right? Restore our Earth is the theme for the Earth Day 2021. ठीक है. Moving on, guys. Which country has passed the No Ban Act bill?
USA.
USA, right? And कौन से context में? What context are we talking about? This No Ban Act, ये कौन से context में बात की जा रही है?
Visas, I guess.
Sorry, visas, but exactly what sort of visas are we talking about? The Muslim ban, the Trump Muslim ban, right? So the Trump had put right these that from some countries he was just not allowing people to come in, right? So now this is to reverse that, right? So there'll be like to reverse the effect of Trump's Muslim ban. This particular act has been passed by the Biden government. Okay, which country has been validated by the World Health Organization for having eliminated the trachoma disease? Is it Gambia? Is it Zimbabwe? Is it South Africa or is it Chad?
Gambia.
Gambia is the right answer. Wonderful answer. Right. Gambia, in fact. So basically, this is a disease which goes on in Africa. में काफी prevalent सा disease है. ठीक, and Gambia is it's the second country to get rid of it. The first country was Cote d'Ivoire. Right. Okay. Fair enough. Right. Maulana Wahiuddin Khan. ठीक है. He passed away recently. Was an Islamic scholar from which country?
India.
India. I'm going to bata sakta hai why is this guy very famous? Because he's written of something very famous. Like, can you tell me?
Sir, he wrote something on Quran and translated like that. He did
Exactly.
something related to that.
Wonderful answer. Wonderful answer. Right. He wrote. He's credited for his English to Quran, like Quranic translation. Right. And in fact, he was also named in the 500 most influential Muslims. जो एक लिस्ट निकली थी, he was named in that list. ठीक है, तो his English translation of Quran is pretty famous. ठीक है. Great answer. Now, which country has passed a bill to combat the hate crimes against Asian Americans?
US.
USA, in fact, USA is the correct answer, right? Because our ऐसा क्यों हुआ था? Can anyone tell me? It's a recent current affair event. Why Asian Americans hate crimes? Why? What is the reason behind it?
Is that because of the COVID thing?
No, guys, come on, think.
George Floyd.
Not George Floyd. Atlanta shooting wherein a person killed 8 Asian American women, right? He went to a spa and then he killed 8 people there. काफी protests हुए थे उसके. Not specifically because जब भरी तो मतलब लोग अगर वैसे देखे कम मरेगा ऐसे कुछ, but because it was a targeted shooting against Asian Americans, there was a lot of talk about it for a good amount of time. Right? You should have ideally would have expected that you guys should have known about this, right? Just by knowing about reading up on news, ये हमको पता होना चाहिए था. ठीक है? So please keep on reading news as well, yeah, side by side. Apart from this current affairs preparation, हमको news पता होनी चाहिए कि चल क्या रहा है दुनिया में. ठीक है? Now, what is the name given to small models of human organs that contain multiple cell types that behave similarly to the human body? Right. So basically, now these are like that would basically human body को थोड़ा like emanate करने के लिए ये बनाया गया है, right? Emulate करने के लिए. So what is it called?
Cell models.
Tissue chips. Cell models.
Not cell models. These are tissue chips, right? The hope is that they would be able to function like human organs, right? So this is just the start of it. but let's see how it goes. Okay. In which year was the 73rd constitutional amendment on Panchayati Raj enacted in India? एक random, this is just a static.
92.
92 guys. Exactly, year 1992, right. Okay, इसमें ये भी याद रखना और ये भी याद रखना कि किसके बारे में था ये, ठीक है. Okay, next question. By what name is the full moon on April 26th this year called? काफी एक phenomena था.
Pink moon.
Pink moon, exactly, right. April 26 को कई बार pink moon दिखा था, और कल ही रात को काफी बड़ा सा मून भी था. कल था या परसों था? कब का था ये?
कल था.
कल था ना?
PM से 7 PM के बीच में.
हाँ कल था, राइट. कई के जगह पे तो बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा था, तो इंडिया के बाहर. ठीक है. What is the name of the medical device which concentrates oxygen from the ambient air? ये काफी ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर, एग्जैक्टली, राइट. ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर बहुत ज्यादा न्यूज में था, राइट. बेसिकली व्हाट इट डज इज लाइक इफ यू डोंट हैव एन ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर, तो ये एयर से ऑक्सीजन देता है, उसको कॉन्सेंट्रेट करता है और फिर दिन तो इट ओनली वर्क्स ऑन द एटमॉस्फेरिक एयर. ठीक है, उसके लिए और कुछ लगता नहीं. Which country has named its first Mars rover as Zhurong? Is it South Korea? Is it Taiwan? Is it China? Or Japan? China. Exactly.
China.
Mars rover is called Zhurong. ठीक है. Okay. Which is the smallest of all living rhinoceroses and the only Asian rhinoceros which has 2 horns? इसके 2 horns होते गए. Right. And it's pretty small as well. Sorry?
Malaysia.
Not Malaysian. As the Sumatran rhino, इसको भी थोड़ा ज्यादा प्रोटेक्शन अफोर्ड किया गया, इसलिए न्यूज में था. ठीक है, और इसके 2 हॉर्न्स होते हैं और काफी छोटा सा दिखता है ये, मतलब नॉट वेरी स्मॉल बट एज कंपेयर टू अदर राइनोस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस. Which sports personality is leading the UNICEF global vaccination initiative? ठीक है, तो फॉर द चिल्ड्रन के वैक्सीनेशन के लिए ये इंसान हेड कर रहा है. कौन है ये?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Not Cristiano Ronaldo. Some other person.
David Beckham.
David Beckham is the right answer. David Beckham is the one who's been appointed as the UN chief, or like the leader for this, right? Okay, this one, guys. Vivericula indica is the name of which cat-like animal that has been rescued recently in the East Godavari region? यहाँ पे मिला नहीं जाता. Not necessarily. It's not found a lot in India. This animal, right? And it was recently rescued in East Godavari region. What is this? What animal am I talking about? It's the civet, guys. Right, civet. It's the civet, guys. Right. Okay. Moving on, guys. Deepika Kumari and Atanu Das, who were in news recently, are associated with which sport?
Archery.
Archery. Deepika Kumari, in fact, at one point was the world number 1, right? Before the London Olympics, right? She was very famed to get a medal, but she couldn't qualify to the main event either, right? What is the main objective of Crypto Climate Accord, an alliance of crypto firms? आज के लिए क्रिप्टो के बारे में काफी न्यूज चलती रहती है, right? What is this alliance about, guys?
Using blockchain in the claim.
Eliminate greenhouse gas emission.
Eliminating greenhouse gas emissions, exactly. So the problem with crypto is, especially with Bitcoin, not with all other, so basically there are a lot of cryptos, right? So Ethereum हो गया, ऐसे बहुत सारे होते हैं, right? एक famous रहता है Dogecoin, जो काफी लोगों ने सुना होगा, right? So the problem is that when you have to mine crypto, especially Bitcoin, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी लगती है, right? And recent crypto जो हमने क्रैश भी सुना होगा, that happened because Elon Musk came out with a statement saying that we won't be accepting Bitcoin because they feel that Bitcoin काफी ज्यादा energy use करता है, right? So basically this has been used to, this alliance is for saying, to tackle the problem of greenhouse emission gas. ठीक है. Last question for this set. What does CT indicate, guys? In the RT-PCR test, what is CT called?
Cycle threshold.
Cycle threshold, right? Exactly, cycle threshold, right? हमें को बता सकता है RT-PCR तो इतनी बार हो गया, right? RT-PCR का फुल फॉर्म क्या है पर?
Reverse transcript polymerase chain reaction.
Exactly, wonderful answer. Please, can you say that again, but slowly, please, guys. Everyone, note it down. बोलो fast.
Reverse transcript polymerase chain reaction.
Exactly, it's the reverse transcript polymeric chain reaction, guys. That is the RT-PCR test, right? RT-PCR full form. I expect if I'm like an exam set, I would definitely ask. So much in news, but people don't know about what it really stands for, right? So, yeah. Okay, so these are the questions. These were your April 2021 GK questions. I have just few random 10 I think 11 questions for you guys to. These are थोड़े quiz type questions. So we'll do these, right? And yeah, okay, but not these are not necessarily your current affairs or GK. These are just general fun questions. Okay, so let's do these. Okay, first question, guys. Orders that X should leave a country within 24 hours crop up regularly in his biography. Okay, so we're talking about a specific person. He started the trend in Prussia in 1843 when Tsar Nicholas asked him to ask the government to ban X's newspaper. This is the name of the newspaper, which caused X to become a co-editor of a radical left newspaper in Paris and head to France. In 1845, French government shut down his own his new periodical Vorwärts and expelled X. He then went to Belgium, but authorities arrested him in the year 1848 on the allegation that he had spent 1/3 of his inheritance on arming workers, and then he fled back to France before going back to Prussia to launch the doomed This paper. Okay. Now the government suppressed the paper and dragged and ordered X to leave Prussia in the year 1849. But then he fled for France. But the Parisian government also sent him packing. So he sought refuge in London with his wife, and he built a life in England, but essentially died a stateless person. Who are we talking about? Your clue would be he spent half of his fortune into arming workers. Who are we talking about, guys? So 1848. Who said that?
Isham.
Isham. Wonderful answer, Isham. In fact, the answer is Karl Marx. Okay. So yeah. Next question, guys. History of X and Y is surprisingly long and storied one. Okay. Historians believe that X and Y have been ongoing since at least 2500 BC. Okay. By 800 BC, Indian doctors were performing reconstructive Y. The physician Sushruta is considered to be the father of Indian X-Y. So these are two terms, okay? Especially rhinoplasty. He practiced this craft around 500 BC. So renowned were the Indian methods of rhinoplasty that in the 18th and the 19th century, Western doctors traveled to India to study how the doctors perform this type of X and Y. What are we talking about, guys?
Plastic surgery.
Plastic surgery. Wonderful answer. Right. In fact, we're talking about plastic surgery. Okay. Okay, next question. History of X. Now this is the thing we're talking about. Can be traced back to the 1903 when the American Lizzie Magie created a game in which she hoped she would explain the single tax theory of Henry George. Okay. Now it is intended as an educational tool to illustrate the negative aspects of concentrating land in a few private hands. And she took out a patent for it in the year 1904. Now she created two rules for this. One in which all were rewarded when wealth was created, and the other set was in which the goal was to crush the opponents. What is X, guys?
Monopoly.
Monopoly. Yeah, Monopoly is the answer. Right. Wonderful answer. Okay. Right. Great. And everyone, please try to explain. These are everyday things that we know about. But थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगा के सोचो. ठीक है. Now in 14th century France, an X was a person who worked on farms. ठीक है. Now, since these people were poor and peasants, the landowners thought of them as untrustworthy and suspicious. ठीक है. Thus, the meaning of X. So, पहले it was referred to people who worked on farms. Now, X का जो meaning है, gradually in the modern day has it come to someone who's a negative character. What is X, guys? So initially, sorry.
Peasants.
Not peasants, right? It was used to refer to a peasant. ठीक है. तो ये टर्म थी पहले people used to work on farms, उनको हम लोग X बुलाते थे. बट आज के दिन में एक जो नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर होता है उसको हम लोग X बुलाते हैं. Villain, exactly. That's the right answer. Villain, right? So initially people who used to work on, so it's a French term, villain, right? And it was people who used to refer on farms, उनको villain बोलते थे. ठीक है. Okay. On 26 June 1579, which marked the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad, Akbar read the khutbah at the Jama Masjid. Though there was nothing unusual about a king reading the khutbah, the hardliner clergy was enraged by an ambiguous phrase which is used by him to end the speech. Which common enough Arabic phrase did Akbar use? So there's a very specific like phrase in which Akbar used, which like sort of like made people very angry. You guys have definitely heard this phrase. Guess, Maru? Not very difficult, guys. Come on, Socho. Anyone? Think of Akbar. Think of the term Akbar only.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar, exactly. Right. So usually a term that is used to refer to the God, he said Allahu Akbar, sort of saying that I am God. Right. So it sort of like made a lot of people angry because he said Allahu Akbar at the end. Yeah. Okay. Next question, guys. This is a temple in Pavithiswaram, Kerala. Now it is the only temple in India which is dedicated to a character from Mahabharata who is generally seen as a very, negative and a scheming person. Who is the person, guys? Who is this temple for? Shakuni. Wonderful answer. Exactly. Wonderful answer. Shakuni. Right. So this temple is a Shakuni exclusive temple. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. Next question. The Orion correlation theory is a fringe theory that points that there is a correlation between the location of three largest axes. Okay, so these are three axes. So you have to identify what are these three axes and the Orion belt of the constellation of Orion, and that this correlation was intended as such by the original builders of X. ठीक है. So the ये Orion जो constellation और इन तीन structures के बीच में कुछ ना कुछ है. ठीक है. So the stars of Orion were associated with the Osiris, the god of rebirth and afterlife. Depending on the version of theory, additional axes can also be included to complete the picture of Orion constellation. So जैसे ऊपर है वैसे नीचे भी है. And the river dash can be included to match with the Milky Way. The theory was first published in the year 1989 and was subject of a bestseller, Orion Mystery, in 1994, as well as the BBC documentary, The X Gateway to the Stars. What are we talking about, guys?
Sir, is it a river?
No, river to hai, but axes are, there are three axes, three largest axes. What is the X that we are talking about?
Pyramids of Egypt.
Pyramids, exactly. The Egyptian pyramids, the great Egyptian pyramids, and the river is the Nile River. So the way the theory goes is that if you look at the Orion constellation and if you look at the way the three pyramids are situated, it seems as if both are sort of copies of each other. And अगर उनके बीच में Nile डाल दो तो it looks like the Milky Way as well. ठीक है. Next question, guys. On 4th May 1951, Sir Hugh Beaver, the then MD of brewery, went on a shooting party in the northern slope of Ireland. ठीक है. He became involved in an argument around like which is the fastest game bird in Europe. That evening, he realized it was impossible for him to confirm from a reference book. Now, this argument that Sir Hugh Beaver had led to a development of something. What is that something, guys? Think of there are a lot of clues which are available in the question only. Think and try to answer. Especially the last sentence. That evening, he realized it is impossible for him to confirm from a reference book. So this led for him to develop something. What is this something? Socho, come on, it's not very difficult. I'm sure you guys can figure it out. Socho.
Game bird.
Not game bird. It's a book, guys. Come on, I've given you enough book. I've given you enough clues.
Hunger Games?
It's a book. Okay, so the answer is sorry, not encyclopedia. The answer is Guinness Book of World Records. Okay, there are enough clues. He realized it was impossible for him to confirm from a reference book. So the argument led to the development of the Guinness Book of World Records as we know today. Okay, Raman Lamba was an Indian cricketer. Okay, he was quite popular in Bangladesh's Dhaka Premier League and also represented Ireland in an unofficial one-day international match. Okay. He died in the year 1988 and his last words were "Bully मैं तो मर गया." ठीक है. What is so unique about Raman Lamba's death? People who like cricket here, can anyone tell me?
While fielding, he wasn't wearing helmet.
No. Okay,
Or
so the
while
answer, no. So the unique part of his death is that he is the only Indian cricketer to have died on field. ठीक है. Right. So that's the unique part of Raman Lamba's death. ठीक है. Okay. Moving on, guys. While living in Nazi-occupied Paris during the World War II, one German officer allegedly asked X upon seeing photo of Guernica in his apartment. So Guernica was this like specific like where there was a bombardment. It's the town of Guernica. Then he said, "Did you do that?" And X responded, "No, you did." Sort of saying, like the painting was there, but like he asked, "क्या तूने बनाया?" He's like, "I did it, but in fact you were the one who did it." ठीक है. Who is X here? Think French painter during World War II.
Leonardo.
Come on, not Leonardo da Vinci.
Picasso?
Pablo Picasso, exactly. Pablo Picasso is the right answer. Right. ऐसे even in your GK guys, no कौन से time पे कौन चल रहा है. Right. And yeah. Okay, we have got a couple of more questions. Yeah. Let's do this. There are a few stories about the origin of the phrase X. Okay, so there's this phrase called X. The most prominent of them being, first one being, a law passed by Sir Francis Buller in 17th century, which limited the maximum thickness of the stick with which it was permissible for a man to beat his wife. Okay, horrible. Second, the correct depth of which a seed needs to be planted in the ground to ensure it germinates properly. Okay. And third, a method by which a brewer once tasted the temperature of the beer. What is the phrase that I'm talking about? So imagine कि basically like you put like this phrase is a measurement phrase. So matlab it's something that we often use, right? Also something that we use to signify that is as the most common and general thing. कि मतलब ये सबसे common and general thing है कि इस ये theory के लिए ये सबसे common चीज है. ये phrase हम उस context में use करते हैं. Does anyone know? Wants to take a guess?
Is it
Okay.
rule of thumb?
That's a wonderful answer. Who said this?
Shreya.
Yeah, that's a wonderful answer. Yeah. It's the answer is rule of thumb. Right. ठीक है. So basically इसकी story ये है. इसके पीछे की story ये है. ठीक है. It will be the final question. This is a famous puzzle where the objective is to connect all 9 dots using 4 straight lines without lifting your hand and crossing each dot only once. The solution of this puzzle is the origin of a very popular phrase. What is the phrase, guys?
Think out of the box.
Thinking out of the box. Yes, that is correct. Right. Okay. So that brings us to the end of our class today. Right. I hope you guys, Shruti, please share the sheet with everyone. If you guys have any doubts, I'll stay back on the call for the next 5 minutes. Otherwise, have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Welcome, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
If no one has a question, guys, I'll be ending the call. अगर किसको बोलना है तो please मेरे को अभी बोल दो so that we can talk or something. Yeah. If not, I'm ending the call. Okay, perfect. I'm ending the call.